Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Fusion 360 iPhone case design series. In the last video, we laid the foundation by modeling the basic body shape and creating the side sketches. Today, we are diving into the camera module. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, be sure to check that out first. This session is going to be the most intensive one, so grab a fresh cup of coffee and let's jump back to Fusion 360. We will start from creating a new sketch from the back of the body. We select the Create Sketch button and make sure we select the back side of the body. Let's check this back and put a rectangle here on the top left corner. From the left side of the camera bump to the body edge is 1.04. And the top padding is the same 1.04. The distance from the left side of the body to the right side of the camera bump is 45.22. Similarly, we set up the bottom distance, which is 46.54. Let's repeat the same process to draw the inner rectangle. I've marked all these numbers from Apple Spec for your reference. Before drawing the camera lens, let's have a review and make sure there's no mistakes. If you are happy with everything, let's drop 3 circles here and the flash module and the real mic. Then let's put the 5 circles into their positions. The left 2 cameras to the edge of the body is 14.17. To the top are 14.17 and 33.41 respectively. The last one is 23.79. We don't really care these 2 little things here, but I'll put them into the expected position anyway. The diameter of each of the 3 circles is 16.2. I forgot to align this camera lens. Let's do it now. From its center to the left edge is 22.16. Similarly, we quickly set up the 2 little ones. As always, let's check these numbers again. Once you are done, let's jump onto the corner profiles. Okay, let's finish the last part of this sketch. This time we will use the 3-point arc tool. The exact position doesn't matter for now. The top of the arc needs to be tangent to the top line. The right point of this arc to the edge of the body is 14.17. It looks easier for me to use the camera bump edge as the reference point. So let's exclude the distance from the body to the camera bump left edge, which is 1.04. Lastly, for the arc, the left side needs to be tangent to the left border. We follow the exact same process to to draw the second arc. Be careful here, we still use the outer rectangle as a reference point, so the right point of this inner arc to the outer rectangle is same 13.13. We will finish up the remaining 3 corners using the mirror tool. Let's draw 2 construction lines for the mirror tool. If you can't remember how to draw construction lines, you can find it from the beginning of our first video. In the mirror tool, for the objects, we select the 2 arcs we just created. And for the mirror line, we select the vertical construction line. Let's run the mirror tool again so that we copy everything to the bottom. Okay, that's all for this camera sketch. I just realized that I forgot to put a dimension for this little one. Let's do it really quick. Click on Finish Sketch. For the cameras, let's extrude 4.07 from its back. Let's then extrude the camera plateau. We need to turn this profile to visible again so that we can use the profiles. We don't want to end up with 2 small holes here, so make sure you select the 2 small circles as well. The number here is 2.05. Let's use the fillet tool to finish up the transition from the camera plateau to the body. The distance between the 2 rectangles is 4.7 minus 1.04. Looking pretty good. Again, let's take some time to give these new elements meaningful names. It will be easier for you to follow the rest of the video if you use the same names. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's finish up the edge profile in the next one.